Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing cheap and cool gadgets. We cover topics about Amazon products, gadgets, and amazing top videos on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Magbeat Pro Sound in your palm delivers a concert-grade audio experience in a compact design. This pocket-sized speaker combines portability with powerful sound, offering a rich and immersive listening experience. With advanced technology, it provides crisp highs and deep bass, rivaling larger speakers. Magbeat's sleek, minimalist design enhances any environment, making it perfect for travel, outdoor activities, or casual gatherings. The touch-sensitive controls and long-lasting battery make it a versatile and convenient audio companion, ensuring that exceptional sound quality is always within reach, wherever your adventures or relaxation take you. Keep 'em Cool Vacuum Insulated Beer Bottle. The Keep 'em Cool Vacuum Insulated Beer Bottle is a game-changer for beverage enthusiasts. Crafted for optimal temperature retention, this innovative bottle ensures your drinks stay refreshingly cold for extended periods. The vacuum-insulated design eliminates condensation, preventing external moisture and maintaining the bottle's exterior comfort. With a sleek and ergonomic build, it's perfect for on-the-go hydration or keeping your favorite brews chilled during outdoor activities. The Keep 'em Cool bottle combines functionality with style, offering a versatile and reliable solution for anyone who values a perfectly chilled beverage at any moment. Goat Story Coffee Mug. The Goat Story Coffee Mug is a unique blend of design and practicality, paying homage to coffee's rich history. Crafted in the shape of a horn, this elegant mug adds a touch of medieval flair to your daily coffee ritual. Its distinctive shape allows for an easy grip, while the leather holder and strap enhance portability. The spill-proof lid and eco-friendly materials make it an ideal companion for coffee lovers on the move. The Goat Story Coffee Mug seamlessly marries style and functionality, offering a distinctive and enjoyable way to savor your favorite brew wherever you go. Violet Bedside Table Lamp. The Violet Bedside Table Lamp combines modern design with versatile functionality. With its adjustable color temperature and brightness levels, this lamp provides customizable illumination for various settings. Featuring a sleek touch-sensitive panel, it offers effortless control. The integrated wireless charger adds convenience, allowing you to power up compatible devices with ease. Its minimalist design and eye-friendly LED lighting make it an ideal addition to any bedside table or workspace. The Violet Bedside Table Lamp merges style and practicality, enhancing your space with customizable lighting and modern aesthetics. Magnetic Levitation Desk Lamp. The Magnetic Levitation Desk Lamp is a mesmerizing fusion of technology and design. Suspended in midair through magnetic levitation, the lamp captivates with its futuristic aesthetic. The floating light source emits a warm, ambient glow, creating a unique visual experience. With adjustable brightness and an elegant minimalist design, this lamp enhances any workspace or living area. The Magnetic Levitation Desk Lamp is not just a lighting solution. It's a conversation piece that seamlessly combines innovation with functionality, offering a stunning and dynamic addition to contemporary interiors. Folding Camping Stools. Folding camping stools redefine outdoor comfort and convenience. Crafted for portability, these stools feature a collapsible design that effortlessly transforms into a compact form for easy transport. With durable materials and sturdy construction, they provide a reliable and comfortable seating solution for camping trips, picnics, or outdoor events. Their lightweight design and hassle-free setup make them an essential addition to any adventurer's gear, ensuring you can relax and unwind wherever your outdoor explorations take you. Embrace practicality and comfort with folding camping stools, your go-to seating choice for on-the-go relaxation. Black Shark Phone Cooler. The Black Shark Phone Cooler is a high-performance accessory designed to keep your gaming sessions cool and uninterrupted. Specifically crafted for Black Shark gaming phones, this cooler easily attaches to the device, dissipating heat and preventing performance throttling during intense gaming. With a sleek design and powerful cooling capabilities, it ensures optimal gaming experiences by maintaining peak performance. The Black Shark Phone Cooler is a must-have for mobile gamers, providing an innovative solution to keep your device cool and your gaming performance at its best, even during the most demanding gaming sessions. ProtoArc EM03 Trackball Mouse. The ProtoArc EM03 Trackball Mouse is a cutting-edge peripheral designed for precision and comfort. With its ergonomic shape and customizable trackball sensitivity, it offers a unique and efficient user experience. This mouse is ideal for design professionals, gamers, and those seeking an alternative to traditional mice. Its sleek design and responsive controls provide seamless navigation, while programmable buttons enhance productivity. The ProtoArc EM03 trackball mouse is a versatile and innovative tool that combines precision with ergonomic design, catering to the needs of users who prioritize both functionality and comfort in their computing peripherals. MuteMe. MuteMe is a discreet yet powerful device that ensures privacy in virtual meetings. This compact button seamlessly integrates with popular conferencing platforms, allowing users to mute and unmute their microphone with a simple touch. With an LED indicator for status and a versatile magnetic backing, it offers a convenient solution for those working from home or in shared spaces. MuteMe is an essential accessory, providing a quick and intuitive way to control audio during video calls, ensuring clear communication and privacy whenever needed, enhancing the virtual meeting experience with efficiency and simplicity. Bankston VisiBoost Wireless Charger. The Bankston VisiBoost Wireless Charger is a game-changer in charging technology. With its ultra-thin and transparent design, it seamlessly blends into any environment, offering a discreet yet powerful charging solution for your Qi-enabled devices. Its fast charging capabilities and intelligent recognition system ensure optimal performance for smartphones, earbuds, and more. The VisiBoost is not just a charger, it's a minimalist accessory that enhances your space while providing efficient and convenient wireless charging. Say goodbye to cable clutter and welcome a sleek and invisible charging experience with the Bankston VisiBoost Wireless Charger. Costway 2000W Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. The Costway 2000W Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is a powerhouse for versatile and efficient cleaning. With 2000W of power, it generates high-pressure steam for effective and chemical-free cleaning on various surfaces. The multipurpose attachments tackle dirt, grime, and stains effortlessly, making it suitable for floors, carpets, upholstery, and more. The compact and ergonomic design, coupled with a sizable water tank, ensures convenient and continuous cleaning. Costway's steam cleaner is a reliable solution for those seeking a thorough and environmentally friendly approach to cleaning, making household chores more manageable and eco-conscious. McCulloch MC1275. The McCulloch MC1275 heavy-duty steam cleaner is a robust and versatile cleaning solution. With its powerful steam pressure and various attachments, it effortlessly tackles dirt and grime on multiple surfaces. From floors and tiles to upholstery and appliances, this steam cleaner provides chemical-free and efficient cleaning. The large water tank ensures extended usage, while the ergonomic design and caster wheels enhance mobility. Whether for home or automotive cleaning, the MC1275 is a reliable and effective tool, offering a deep cleaning experience with the power of steam for a range of household and industrial applications. Wagner Spray Deck 915. The Wagner Spray Deck 915 On-Demand Steam Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning solution. With its pressurized steam system, it easily removes dirt and grime from various surfaces without the need for chemicals. The on-demand steam feature ensures precise control and conserves water. Equipped with multiple attachments, it tackles a range of cleaning tasks from floors to furniture. The compact design and wheels enhance maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for both home and industrial applications. The Wagner 915 offers a powerful, eco-friendly, and versatile steam cleaning solution for a variety of cleaning needs. McCulloch MC1385. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. With 23 versatile accessories, it handles a wide range of cleaning tasks, from floors and appliances to grout and upholstery. The 64-ounce water tank provides extended cleaning time, while the variable steam control allows customization for different surfaces. Its compact and durable design, coupled with pressurized steam, ensures efficient and chemical-free cleaning. The MC1385 is an all-in-one solution, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and comprehensive steam cleaner for various household cleaning needs. Bissell Steam Shot. The Bissell Steam Shot is a compact and powerful handheld steam cleaner designed for quick and efficient cleaning. With high-pressure steam, it effectively tackles dirt, grime, and stains on a variety of surfaces. The lightweight and portable design make it easy to use in tight spaces and for small, targeted cleaning tasks. Equipped with multiple attachments, it's versatile for different surfaces and applications. The Bissell Steam Shot is a convenient and chemical-free solution for busy households, providing a quick and eco-friendly way to maintain cleanliness throughout your home. Bissell Steam Mop. The Bissell Steam Mop is a high-performance and user-friendly solution for sparkling clean floors. Harnessing the power of steam, it effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and bacteria from hard surfaces. With its lightweight design and easy maneuverability, it ensures convenience during cleaning sessions. The mop features adjustable steam levels, catering to different floor types and cleaning needs. Its quick heat-up time and swivel steering enhance efficiency, while the washable microfiber mop pads simplify maintenance. The Bissell Steam Mop is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient tool for maintaining pristine floors with ease. XR10. The Trimble XR10 is a cutting-edge mixed reality device designed for construction and industrial applications. Combining Microsoft HoloLens 2 technology with Trimble's expertise in construction, it overlays holographic data onto the physical environment, allowing users to visualize digital models in the real world. This hand-free solution enhances on-site productivity by providing immersive 3D visualizations, enabling workers to better comprehend complex designs, perform accurate installations, and streamline workflows. With its robust design and augmented reality capabilities, the XR10 revolutionizes construction and field operations, facilitating precise and efficient execution of tasks in various industries. Exo0G. Exo0G is an innovative exoskeleton system designed to support and augment human capabilities in industrial settings. This wearable device assists in reducing fatigue and strain by providing adjustable lift assistance for heavy tools or equipment. Offering dynamic support without restricting natural movement, it enhances worker safety and productivity by reducing the risk of work-related injuries during repetitive tasks. With its ergonomic design and customizable settings, Exo0G empowers workers in manufacturing, construction, or logistics industries, enabling them to perform tasks with reduced physical strain and improved efficiency, marking a significant advancement in workplace ergonomics and safety. HP SitePrint. HP SitePrint, if it exists as a product, might be a specialized solution tailored for site-related printing needs, potentially offering portable or rugged printing solutions for industries like construction, engineering, or architecture. It could encompass printers or print services designed to handle on-site documentation, plans, blueprints, or other critical documents essential for field work, providing durability and reliability in challenging environments. Without specific details, a more precise description of HP SitePrint's features, intended use, or target industry would aid in providing a detailed overview of its functionalities and benefits. TerraTrack R1. DCI TerraTrack R1 is a cutting-edge tracking and monitoring system designed for precision and efficiency in various industries. With advanced technology, it offers real-time location tracking, asset management, and performance monitoring. Its adaptable design and robust features enable seamless integration into diverse applications, enhancing operational workflows and optimizing resource utilization. This system caters to industries like logistics, transportation, or asset management, providing comprehensive tracking solutions for improved visibility, security, and operational excellence. The DCI TerraTrack R1 represents a forward-thinking approach to tracking, offering reliability and precision for enhanced operational management and control. Ilumager Sixth Sense Plus Halo SL. The Ilumager Sixth Sense Plus Halo SL is a state-of-the-art personal safety lighting system designed for enhanced visibility and protection in various work environments. The Sixth Sense harnesses advanced LED technology, offering 360-degree illumination, ensuring increased visibility in low-light conditions. The Halo SL, a powerful hard hat light, complements this system, providing focused, hands-free lighting for precise tasks. This combination enhances safety for workers in construction, industrial, or utility settings, significantly reducing the risk of accidents by providing optimal visibility and illumination, thereby promoting a safer work environment. Sonetics. Sonetics is a leading provider of innovative communication solutions designed for industrial and team-based environments. Their wireless communication systems facilitate clear and hands-free communication among teams working in noisy or challenging conditions. Incorporating advanced technology, Sonetics offers headsets and intercoms that enable seamless communication, enhancing teamwork and safety across industries like construction, manufacturing, and public safety. With features like noise reduction and situational awareness, Sonetics systems optimize coordination, efficiency, and safety, fostering better collaboration and productivity in demanding work environments where effective communication is crucial. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.